You're about 100 miles off of where you think you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Who's the guy in the white shirt?
That's the colonel.
Colonel, don't mean shit to me.
Okay, well.
Look, I'm federal.
Okay.
I'm trying to get home. I got my boys with me.
Who do you work for?
DHS.
Do you have your ID with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. But if I called them, they'd verify that you're a
100%, bro.
Okay. You don't have any type of credentials or anything that say you're DHS?
Not on me, no.
Okay. All right.
I only bring my weapon with me if I'm.
Okay. But you don't have any weapons on you right now?
No, I don't.
Okay. So what I want to do, I want to talk to you away from the kids. So I'm going to ask you to step out of the car, and we're going to walk back to the back of your car, okay?
Are you serious right now?
Yes, sir, I am.
I'm going through a divorce. My ex-wife is trying to take my kids. I'm just... Give me a minute, all right?
Okay.
You know what it's like. You know what it's like to be law enforcement.
How long do you need, buddy?
Just give me a minute, all right? Guys.
If we give you a minute, are you going to do the exercise?
I will do it. Just... my head.
Okay. Like I said, I just don't like us standing here in the road. And
I don't either, but you know what? My kids are my life.
I got you.
No, you don't. Do you got kids? Exactly. Do you have kids?
No.
Exactly. So you don't know what it's like. You know what? Call my supervisor.
Okay. Do you want to do the exercises or no?
I'll do it. But you know what? What's homeboy doing down there? You know, guys, come on.
Make sure we all sit because we're inside of the water. You don't want to get hit. You don't want you to get hit. That's why we're trying to do the exercise. That way we can move on.
Are you Haitian?
That's nothing to do with my wrist, buddy.
My question was, are you Haitian?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where he's from. Okay. Look, man, I really need you to do the exercise. If you don't do it, then I'm going to say that you're refusing to do the exercise. I get it. You need a minute. I gave you a few minutes, okay? But
let me talk to your supervisor.
Not right now, sir.
Why are you fucking me, man?
All right, so just take a couple steps forward, like right here.
I mean, what it is first?
Okay, well, in order for me to instruct you on how to do the exercise, I need you to stand over here. Awesome, thank you so much, Scott. So if you can, just put your feet together with your heels touching. Okay, and now put your arms straight down by your side. And your arms straight down by your side like this, Scott. Thank you. All right, there you go. So heels touching, arms straight down by your side. Just stay like that. Don't do anything else until I tell you to. Do you understand so far?
Yep.
So when I tell you to, I'm going to tell you to raise 1 foot. You can choose the right or the left. You're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep your foot parallel to the ground, and you're going to look at the elevated foot while you count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Do you understand the instructions so far?
Yep.
Okay, so again, the way that it's going to look, your arms are straight down by your side, your feet are together. I'm going to tell you to begin, and you're going to choose either your left foot or your right foot. So when I say begin, if you want to pick up your left foot, you're going to pick it up about 6 inches off the ground. Again, keeping your foot parallel to the ground while you keep your eyes on the elevated foot. Do you understand that so far, Scott? Do you understand the instructions, sir?
I do.
Okay. So again, the way that it's going to look, I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to do it with my right foot this time. I'm going to say begin. You're going to raise your foot about 6 inches off the ground. It's about the size of a soda can, okay? 6 inches parallel to the ground, and your feet on the elevated foot. And you're going to count out loud: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Do you understand all the instructions, Scott?
Yep.
Okay. You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. Guys, what the fuck are we doing right now? Seriously.
Okay, Scott, can you be honest with me? How much did you drink today?
I had about 4
For what?
drinks.
Okay, a drink to me is alcohol, or is water.
I have not drank in several weeks.
You don't drink alcohol?
I have not drank alcohol in several... Guys, don't fuck me.
Do you take any depressants?
I take medication because I'm a war vet.
What type of medication do you take?
I don't know what the fuck it's called.
Okay. Does it say not to drive a vehicle when you're
No, lane.
Do you take Xanax or anything like that?
No.
Do you take any other type of drugs?
Don't do this.
Scott, look, man, your eyes, you know what nystagmus is. You told me that.
Onset of nystagmus, yes.
Okay, onset of nystagmus prior to 45 degrees is one of the things. Okay, but I really need to know what you drank, where you drank it. Is that...
I can't remember what the fuck it's called.
brewery?
No.
Was it a bar or a restaurant?
No,
or
it's Oceanside. What is it called?
It's all right, Scott. What did you do there?
I had 3 drinks.
Okay. What did you get?
I don't know. The bartender made it up.
Was it like a cocktail, like a mixed drink, or a
Yeah,
beer?
it was a cocktail. Come on, guys.
Like whiskey, vodka, tequila, rum, gin?
I don't know.
Okay. You don't know if it was like...
And I have not drank in weeks.
Did you eat anything today?
Yeah.
What'd you eat?
I made the boys pancakes.
This morning?
Dinosaur pancakes. And... what else do we have? What the fuck did we have? Pancakes. That's all I remember.
Okay. All right, Scott, I need you to come back here with me, please. I'm not going to do this in front of your kids, man, but you got to come with me. I'm not going to do it. If now you can put your hands behind your back. If you're going to pull away, then I'll do it in front of your kids. Okay, don't squeeze my hand. Let go.
I'm not doing shit. Guys, I am law enforcement.
Okay. I was gonna do this away from your kids, man, but you're going to pull away from me, then I'll do it in front of
I'm
them.
not pulling away. I'm not moving.
Just relax, man.
You're hitting me right now. Thanks, Ed.
Copy, welfare check 6810 Front Street.
You have anything in your pocket gonna put mistake me, anything like that?
Nope. Has been passed out a few times. Has been at the playground. It's going to be a reference to a white female with tattoos.
Well, sir, I'm doing my job today.
RT advised if Elio parks near Hogfish, he can lead you guys to her.
Try to keep your hands turned the way that I have this one. Your left hand right now.
Moving, guys.
Okay. Try to get this.
Okay.
Okay. See.
Alpha for the trip.
Go back and go on the left side.
Guys. Lane. Why are you doing it?
It's clear to the right.
Yeah.
You can go to my hood.
Damn it.
Just right up against my hood, sir. Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt us?
Oh, man.
Okay. So, Scott, unfortunately, right now you are under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay.
Lane.
Scott, I believe you're impaired.
Guys, don't do this.
I believe you're too impaired to operate a motor vehicle safely, Scott.
Yeah, well,
One in custody, signal one.
I do not have anything.
We're going to go to the passenger side over here.
Lane.